How to use video marketing to boost your business. Are you looking for ways to boost your business's online presence and attract more customers? Video marketing might be the answer. Video marketing has become an essential tool for businesses of all sizes, helping them to engage with their audience and stand out from the competition. With video marketing, you can tell your brand's story compellingly and visually. It helps to build trust with your audience and increases the chances of converting them into customers. Take a look at these businesses that have successfully used video marketing to promote their products and services. So if you want to take your business to the next level, try incorporating video marketing into your strategy today. Don't miss out on this valuable opportunity to connect with your customers. If you're ready to get started with video marketing, be sure to check out our website for more tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.